This video is made adult collectors for age 30 plus. Viewer description is advised.
What's up guys, it is me, Michael here, and today is welcome back to another video. So it is called Michael Unboxing Review. So let's get making of this one is double T13, lucky T13, or whatever they call it is lucky 13. But this is one the model kit action figure with this playset. So this one here, this only this one. Wow, look at these things. It's more and more cheap, expensive. This is called 27 pesos, or it is $0.0, or I don't know what the kind of $1. And this is like the cheap, and it's called looks like it's 60 pesos. So this one from the Philippines and the US dollars, whatever. This is this one. So let's check out the open unboxing. If you like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bell for the notified for the latest videos. Let's get it started. Let's go open it. Alright, let's get it on. Let's get open. There's a model kit here. Package this one. Oh wow, this model kit is so expensive. It looks like me. Yeah, I love this creative, but this one is so really cheap. This one. Oh, the falling off this very 3D prints. This one here. Look at those things. So we got this instruction, whatever those things. This is called T13 or Lucky 13, whatever this is the name called. This one and this one. So put it on this. Wow, they put a lot of body of this one. So they guess is the falling off of this parts. And this is the we have the one accessories. We have this color red one and a black one. And I don't have any. Appreciate that this one is more lots of weapons and bodies or whatever. This is one like pistols. We got an axe. We got this also very expensive. And we got knife one. There's two daggers. Oh, we got katana swords. Oh, this is pretty crazy. And it's wow. So let's get it right into it. Oh, we're gonna put this up together. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, what an action figure, so good. So here is a dummy, what it is called, dummy T13 or lucky 13, whatever this is called. This is apparently it looks like that this is one of the best model kits in a dummy of this one, the action figure. So it looks so good. I have the construction that is pretty big. It does not fit this axe well. It is printed, and this one though. There's this one. I don't know what the complete set. This is hardest complete you ever seen. Okay. So we're gonna first off the color red version of the looks like a mannequin. That is like guys see is 13. This one this one the number up, and this the face and it's extended to this one hands. The expression for this one the difference of the head or hands. But this one there's this one here. So you guys see this is small, this one is different as well. Look at this. Anyway, so you guys see this one fist. The difference looks same thing. It's not holding with this one. You guys are holding the hands and fist, and this one you can always equipment, weapons, whatever you want. You guys the open hands here. This is the different hands here. You get the difference with hand here. This one here, the extended hands. Okay, so it looks kind of pretty cool. I don't know what's the print is so badly. Anyways, this one you katana. I don't understand what happened to my shopping or the Philippines. And this is not a katana sword. This is a different print that they break it, and I don't have it in any. Super good is just fix this one. So fix this the katana. This one here, and we got axe to this one, which is the melee weapon. It looks good, really cool. It's extended for this pistol. So pistol, this was I got. I don't know if it's handgun pistol. This was the weapon, so it was called. I don't think it actually. This one here, this print is so awesome. Anyway, look at this. This is kind of small. And we got, and finally have the daggers or swords, whatever, mini swords, whatever, daggers. The effects, the arrows, or the effects. The arrow effects. This is so good. I must say this is about possible. So they got this the looks like mannequin version of the model kit action figure. Oh, look at this, the T13 or Lucky 13, whatever they call the name it is. So this the printing, and this one the head sculpted was also printed color red, a plastic model, and this one I don't know why is this a back on the side to this one. The what damages to it is the super glue, and this is not they broken. They're just shopping and so ridiculous actions. Okay, I'm gonna say, so we're gonna this part with this one here. They just really good. Okay. So we got equipment weapons. Okay, so we got this to put in pistol with the grip. We got this thing. You guys see the posting, and then we got the ball joints. And this one there, this whole pistol, and you're using here. So put it up there. We got katana swords. Katana swords and the types one. Okay, you see the posting and whatever you want. It's called again axe. And we gotta put it in the grip. And put the hands on. Pull it down. Up and put it down. You guys see this? We got this. And this looks like definitely so cool. Wow, what amazing! Okay, we can pull it off, and we got we're swapping off this daggers, knife. That's not this mini swords. What's the mini swords? This is called daggers or knife or whatever. That's so funny. I got to the difference. I can't use this stance. It really stands, but it looks so good. I don't have any actually for this one here. Okay, so articulation. So they got first the heads on the up and down, the swivel, and the rotation 360. That was so good. It's on the knees. Look at those things. This up and down. This look up, look out. Okay. But this one here, arms to the right, up and down, with the bicep swivel and swivel time, and we got the elbows joints to the swivel, the up and down, the hands to the swivel, they look so great. I don't know how they actually did budgets of the $1 to 60 pesos. Looks basically the lowest price that they ever seen. You got the left one, the up and down. Side by side, like a swivel of the biceps, the swivel up and down. I guess the rotation of the 360 hands, the swivel, whatever this called. They crunch the abs, like the torso body is up and down a little bit. I think it's kind of pretty weird on this swivel rotation. Now we got legs, the spring. The spring is just up, the spring down. Like the spring, the side by side, up and down. We got his shoulders, swivel. A little bit. You can't do this. The elbow, the shoulders, the up and down. It's a little bit. I don't think it's actually it fits up and down. The swivel, side by side with this rotation. I don't know how any rotation there. We got the side by side, the up and down. The shoulders. The arms, shoulders, and knees. Just put it up, down to my knees. The toes. This one, the feet, up and down. Swivel, side by side. Wow, it's definitely so dope. So okay, guys. So here you guys use the size comparison with this one. The taller scales, and this one. How many is that? Oh. It got 40 centimeters. They got 40 centimeters. So this is the size. We guys see it is 7. So I don't know. We got 5.6 inches. 5.6 inches. So this one does. So this is one. And we got size comparison. We got Optimus Prime jet wing from the Blockies classic class Transformers Dark in the Moon. And we guys see this one here. And we got the Optimus Prime from YOLOPARK, Transformers G1, and McKinney series. Wave 1, Optimus Prime, the cartoon version, but the 90s, 80s, but I don't know what they're talking about. So we got size. This one is pretty smaller in the side. Oh, look at that, those guys, it's me. And then Gunpla, this one. The other one looks size them. I don't know how much stands for this one though. Look at this. The size of Gunpla. This Gundam is. It really actually so a little bit of this taller. I think this is kind of pretty awesome accuracy, but I don't have any actually just to put up my money. Will be next one in the video, I promise. So I'm gonna give you the dummy T13 or Lucky 13 is gonna give it the lowest budget for this action figures model kits ever is gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10. It was so amazing. This model kits and action figures. So it's so amazing things. I love this how much the head sculpted this looks like mannequin, the 13 torso logo, and the switch this one The other one is for reasons. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back to the for the April 2026. I hope you guys see you join the for my next viewers. Hey, this is unboxing and review. Okay, that's just a change the name, but whatever this is. So thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel, notification bells, follow us on social medias. And you guys see the love of this play toys of this one. I don't actually know it looks like that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video on my next video. Bye, peace.